Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your English notebook as I'll be practicing formal letter today. Students, in my last video, I had explained the application writing. I had explained you the format of the formal letter and how to write a leave application to the principal requesting her to grant you 2 days leave. Now students, again I'll revise. There are two types of letters, formal letter and informal letter. And informal letters are written to friends, family, whereas formal letters are official letters written to teacher, principals, higher authorities or offices. Fine. So yesterday we had practiced application writing. Now today again we'll be practicing one more application. But before I start with the application, let's revise the format of formal letter. So students, again I'm going to revise the format of formal letter. Format of formal letter. You need to learn the format. If you learn the format, you will be easily able to write the letter. Students, imagine this as the margin line given in your notebook. In your notebooks, you all have got one red margin line. Fine. And this margin line has to be kept in mind that आपको बेटा margin line और जो first letter है उसके बीच में बहुत थोड़ा सा गैप रखना, अबाउट ओनली हाफ सेंटीमीटर गैप. बिकॉज अगर आप ज्यादा गैप लिखोगे तो आपका जो लेटर है वो अनइवन हो जाएगा, जिगजैग जाएगा. एंड इफ यू लीव लिटिल स्पेस एंड इफ यू राइट द लेटर्स वन बिलो द अदर, योर लेटर विल गिव अ वेरी गुड impression. So first of all students, after writing the heading, wherever I am drawing line, that means that's an indication for you to leave the line. So first of all, after writing the heading, you need to leave 2 lines. Wherever I am drawing lines, that's an indication for you to leave the line. So students, first of all, after leaving 2 lines, we will be writing the sender's address. Now, who is the sender? Sender is the one who is writing the letter. And since you will be writing an application, so you are the sender. So you have to write your address over here. Fine. Keep in mind, wherever I am drawing line, that's an indication for you to leave one line. I've drawn 2 lines, so that's an indication, leave 2 lines. Write sender's address, then again I am drawing a line, again an indication for you to leave the line. Students, then comes the date. And for writing the date, you have a format. First, the month, then the date, and then the year. बेटा आपको DATE डेट नहीं लिखना है, बट फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से लिखना है. फर्स्ट द मंथ, देन द डेट, देन कॉमा एंड द ईयर. Then again I am drawing a line, indication for you to leave one line. Then comes receiver's address. Now receiver is the person who is going to receive the letter, and today again we will be writing the letter to the principal requesting her to grant you outstation leave. So our receiver will be the principal of the institution where you are studying. So this is the receiver's address. Then again I am drawing a line which indicates that you need to leave one line. Then after the receiver's address, leave one line. then you need to write the subject. As explained, students, subject is very important in any of the letter because the official or the authority may be receiving lots and lots of letters every day. So just by reading the subject, the person will come to know that as to why this letter has been written. वो subject ही बता देगा कि letter क्यों लिखा गया है. Fine. Then after the subject, students, again I'm drawing a line. That's an indication for you to leave one line. After the subject, students, comes the salutation. Salutation क्या है बेटा? हम dear, respected ये सब लिखते हैं. ये क्या है? Salutation. Official को लिख रहे हैं, बड़े हैं, so we'll be writing respected madam or sir depending upon who the authority is. If it's a male, we'll be writing respected sir or dear sir, and if it's a female, we'll be writing dear ma'am or respected ma'am. Fine. Now remember, till now you have been leaving one line after each heading, but after the salutation you need to keep in mind that we don't have to leave any line. हमें बेटा salutation के बाद एक भी line नहीं लीव करनी है. अगर आपने लाइन छोड़ दी तो आपका फॉर्मेट गलत हो जाएगा. आफ्टर द सैल्यूटेशन कम्स द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर. बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर में वी विल बी राइटिंग द डिटेल्स ऑफ द लेटर. व्हेन डू वी वांट लीव, व्हाट इज आवर नेम, है ना, व्हाई डू वी वांट द लीव, विल बी स्टेटिंग द रीजन एटसेट्रा. नाउ आफ्टर द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर चिल्ड्रन विल कम सब्सक्रिप्शन. सब्सक्रिप्शन जो हम एंड करते हैं तो लिखते हैं कि yours faithfully, yours truly, yours obediently, yours sincerely. These are all subscription. ठीक है? And after subscription, you need to write the signature. Signature means in the official letter कि आप अपना साइन नहीं मारेंगे. Signature का मतलब होता है you have to write your full name. That is your name along with your surname. Name और surname आपको दोनों लिखने हैं. That is the signature. And since you all are students, so after the signature you will be writing the class and section also. Class and section. Fine. After the signature मतलब आप अपना कोई भी ऐसे साइन करते. No, this doesn't mean signature. Signature means your name and surname both. Fine. So once again let's revise the format. अगर आपने format learn कर लिया तो फिर आपको letter लिखने में बेटा कोई problem नहीं होगी. First of all, after the heading we need to leave two lines. Two lines हमने छोड़ी. After that, sender's address. Fine. Sender's address should be in 2 or 3 lines. After writing the sender's address, we again need to leave one line. Wherever I have drawn a line, that's an indication for you to leave one line. After sender's address, we need to write the date, and writing the date also has got a particular format. First, the month, then the date, and then the year. आप कहीं भी DATE डेट नहीं लिखेंगे लेटर में, आपको पूरी डेट लिखनी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टुडे इज 17 सितंबर, तो आप लिखेंगे September 17th comma 2020, 17 September comma 2020. Then you'll again leave one line. Then you will be writing the receiver's address. Now who is the receiver? The person to whom we are writing the letter. Fine. After receiver's address, we again need to leave one line. After writing the address of the receiver, we will write the subject. Subject के बाद आपको सब्जेक्ट के पहले एक लाइन छोड़नी है. जहां भी मैंने लाइन खींची है आपके लिए इंडिकेशन है कि आपको बेटा लाइन छोड़ना है. सब्जेक्ट में आप लिखेंगे लीव एप्लीकेशन. सिंस वी आर राइटिंग दिस एप्लीकेशन फॉर asking leave, so our subject will be leave application. Subject should be very precise and to the point. It should convey the entire body of the letter कि हम क्यों ये लिख रहे हैं. After subject, leave one line. Then comes your salutation. Salutation is dear या respected, जो भी लिखते हैं that is the salutation. And remember, after salutation you don't have to leave any line. Salutation के बाद आपको बेटा एक भी line नहीं छोड़नी. अगर salutation के बाद if you leave the line, your letter will be incorrect. Then comes your body of the letter. Body of the letter में पूरा details, reasons why do we want leave, time period from when we require the leave. Then after your name and details, everything will come in the body of the letter. Then after body of the letter, children, will come subscription. Subscription is before ending the letter, closing the letter, we write yours faithfully, yours truly, yours obediently, yours sincerely. ये subscription है. Then comes your signature. Signature means your full name along with your surname. And after signature, since you all are students, you need to write your class and section. So I hope the format of the formal letter is clear to you, children. If you want, you can write this in your notebook. So if you learn this format, it is very easy for you to write the letter because each heading consists marks. आपके letter जो है वो divided होते हैं उसके marks. कि sender's address के लिए there is 1 mark, date के लिए 1 mark, receiver's address 1 mark, subject 1 mark, body 3 marks, subscription 1 mark and signature 1 mark. तो पूरा letter के marks होते हैं. तो अगर आप जितनी चीजें आपकी सही होंगी उसके लिए आपको marks मिल जाएंगे. Fine. Now students, I'm going to erase this. And one thing more, children, before I erase this, you need to keep in mind that your letters should fall exactly one below the other. एक के नीचे एक ही आने चाहिए बेटा. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक लेटर इधर लिखा एक इधर zigzag नहीं आना चाहिए. It should come exactly one below the other. That is the reason I've told you कि margin line से बस आप ½ सेंटीमीटर का gap छोड़ के आप letter लिखना. Fine. Now let's imagine this as our margin line. Now, the heading is write an application to the principal requesting her to grant you 4 days outstation leave. This is the heading. Fine. Write an application to the principal requesting her to grant you 4 days outstation leave. Now, what do you mean by outstation? Outstation means somewhere outside the place where you are living. कि आपको उस जगह से दूसरी जगह कहीं बाहर जाना है, तो that is known as outstation leave. And let's imagine that we have a marriage in the family and we have to go to some other place to attend the marriage. Fine, there will be nobody at home, so we can't be staying alone. So we will be writing an application to the principal requesting her to grant us outstation leave. So first of all, let's recall the format. First of all, what do you have to do? After the heading, you need to leave how many lines, children? 2 lines. सबसे पहले आपको 2 लाइन छोड़नी है. Then फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से पहले क्या लिखना था? सेंडर्स एड्रेस. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज राइट योर एड्रेस. आई एम राइटिंग एनी random address. You write your address. Fine. I am writing 111 Srinagar Colony, Varanasi. I have just written one random address. ऐसे ही मैंने कोई एड्रेस लिख दिया. But you will not write this address. You will write your own एड्रेस. यहाँ पे आपको अपना एड्रेस लिखना है. So all of you please write your address and please ensure that आपके जो words हैं, alphabets हैं, they fall one below the other only. After writing the sender's address, please leave one line. And after leaving the line, we will be writing date. So the month, date also has got a format. First the month, that is September. Then the date, that is 17th. Then the year. Date की format है पहले month, then the date, then the year. So after writing the date, again I am drawing a line. That's an indication for you to leave one line. Now comes the receiver's address. Receiver हम किसको application लिख रहे हैं? To the principal. And remember, principal's P will always be capital. So a receiver is the principal, army, public, school, 39, GTC, Varanasi. This is the address of the principal, official address of the principal. The principal का P बेटा हमेशा capital रहेगा. And write the correct spelling of principal. अगर आपने principal का P small कर दिया तो the entire address will be wrong. So principal's P will be capital, Principal, principal. Then army's A capital, public's P capital, school's S capital. Fine. 39 GTC, comma, Varanasi. This is the sender's, receiver's address. First the sender's address, आपका address, leave one line, then the date, leave one line, then the receiver's address. After receiver's address, children, we need to write the subject. So our subject is application for leave. This is the subject. Application for leave. Fine. We have written the subject, application for leave. Now, leave one line. I've drawn one line. That's an indication for you to leave one line. Now, children, comes our salutation. अब हमारा salutation start हो रहा है. Fine. So, principal is there, teacher is there. ऐसा कोई भी बड़ी authority तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? Respected. As we have a principal who's a female, so we'll be writing respected madam. Fine. हमने salutation लिख दिया respected madam. अब आपको याद रखना है कि salutation के बाद हमको एक भी लाइन नहीं छोड़नी है. अगर अब आपने लाइन छोड़ी तो आपका लेटर गलत हो जाएगा. So the first line will be, this is to bring under your kind consideration this is to bring under your kind consideration that I, and then I am drawing a line जिसमें आपको अपना नाम लिखना है. प्लीज राइट योर नेम. ये डैश मैम ने क्यों बनाया है? ताकि आप अपना नाम लिख सको. दैट आई, प्लीज राइट योर नेम इन दिस ब्लैंक. इस ब्लैंक में आपको क्या करना है? अपना नेम लिखना है. फुल नेम, नेम अलोंग विथ योर सरनेम. फाइन. नाउ I don't have space, so I'll be drawing a line and writing the application on the right side of the board. Whereas when आपकी जब जहां भी space खत्म होगी, आप new page से start करेंगे. So this is to bring under your kind consideration. The spelling of consideration is C-O-N. Again, I'll write it neatly so that it's visible to you. Just a minute. C-O-N. SIDERATION. CONSIDERATION. Consideration that I blank में क्या लिखना है आपको अपना name, comma, a student of class 5. Then after 5, please write your section. A, B, C, whatever it is. A student of class 5A will be unable to attend the school from. Now, in the heading, it is written 4 days leave from. आज 17th है, अब 17 से आप 4 days कैलकुलेट कीजिए. 18, 19, 20, 21. From 18 September, जो भी आगे के बेटा 4 dates हैं वो 18 September 2022. 4 days क्या हो गया? 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 September 2020 as I will be going to, now name of the place, outstation. Let's take it as I will be going to, let's take it as Kanpur. To attend my, किसकी? हम वेडिंग अटेंड करने जा रहे हैं. कानपुर. टू अटेंड माई कजिन्स. किसकी शादी में जा रहे हैं बेटा? कजिन. As I will be going to Kanpur to attend my cousin. And remember बेटा, cousin में apostrophe s आएगा. Cousin's wedding. Now, after this, kindly grant me 4 days, 4 days which leave children? Outstation leave. OUTSTATION. Outstation leave. And oblige. Oblige means you are grateful for the favor. And oblige. Outstation leave and oblige. Now wherever you write oblige, after that leave that space. जहां भी oblige खत्म होता है बेटा वो जगह छोड़ दीजिए. and न्यू लाइन से आप आएंगे. फाइन. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप oblige के बाद कुछ भी स्पेस भी है, you need to leave that space and from a new line. लाइन छोड़नी नहीं है बट आपको न्यू लाइन से आना है. thanking you. Thanking you. This is a very polite way of ending or closing the letter. और thanking you बेटा हमेशा नए लाइन से. thanking you. Now, as students, we always write obediently. So yours thanking you जहां भी है उसके आगे की स्पेस छोड़ देंगे. उसके नीचे हमारा सब्सक्रिप्शन आएगा. That is yours. हम प्रिंसिपल मैम या टीचर को जब भी लिखते लेटर, so we write obediently. We write so This is the subscription, yours obediently. Then comes your signature. और signature में क्या signature means आपको अपना signature नहीं करना. That means you have to write your name and surname both. So yours obediently, write your name. Please write your full name. Name along with your surname. Suppose your name is Saurabh. There may be 2 or 3 Saurabhs in the class. There can be Saurabh Yadav, Saurabh Verma, Saurabh Singh. So you have to write your name and surname both. So after writing your name, name आपका मतलब क्या है बेटा? Signature. After writing your name, you need to write the class and section. This is the letter. Fine. Now let's revise the letter, children, once again. First of all, as per the format, the sender's address. ये sender's address means आपका अपना address. मैंने तो ऐसे कोई random address लिखा है. इसकी जगह you have to write your own address. आप लोग ये address जो मैंने लिखा है ये copy नहीं करेंगे, because you do not stay in this house, है ना? You are the sender, you are the one who's writing the letter, so you will be writing your address. सबसे पहले आप अपना address लिखिए. Then wherever I have drawn a line, that's an indication for you to leave the line. आप line leave करेंगे, then you will write the date. The date has got a particular format. First the month, then the date, then the year. So September 17th, 2020. Then I have again drawn a line. That's an indication that you need to leave one line after the date. After writing the date, you need to write the receiver's address. हमारा receiver हम letter किसको? In the heading you can see principal. So our receiver is the principal. So the principal, Army Public School, 39 GTC, Varanasi. This is the receiver's address. Remember children, principal का P हमेशा capital रहेगा letter writing में. बहुत सारे बच्चे स्मॉल लिख देते हैं और वहीं पे आपका रिसीवर्स एड्रेस इनकरेक्ट हो जाता है, पूरे मार्क्स आपके कट जाएंगे. सो प्रिंसिपल की स्पेलिंग एंड प्रिंसिपल का पी कैपिटल रहेगा. प्लीज कीप दिस इन माइंड. आर्मीज ए कैपिटल, पब्लिक्स पी कैपिटल एंड स्कूल्स एस कैपिटल. Then 39 GTC, Varanasi. After that, leave one line. Subject. Subject हम application क्यों लिख रहे हैं? We are writing this application for leave. हमको leave चाहिए. Then again leave one line. बस सब्जेक्ट के बाद आप जो लास्ट लाइन है वो लीव करेंगे. उसके बाद फिर फॉर्मल लेटर में आपको कहीं भी लाइन नहीं लीव करनी है. सो सैल्यूटेशन. सैल्यूटेशन, रिस्पेक्टेड मैडम. हम हमेशा बड़ों से रिस्पेक्ट से बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? रिस्पेक्टेड मैडम, दिस इज टू ब्रिंग अंडर योर kind consideration. Now this is the body of the letter. Salutation के बाद कहीं भी लाइन नहीं छोड़ना है बेटा. Please keep this in mind. So a body of the letter I'm reading. This is to bring under your kind consideration that I, जो डैश में नेम लिखा है यहाँ पे आपको डैश नहीं लगाना है. इसकी जगह आपको अपना फुल नेम लिखना है. Whatever your name is, it can be Rishi Dubey, Adya Kashyap, Hansika Mehra, Harshita Yadav, Kaushal Kant Tiwari, अभिनव वीर मिन्हास, वट एवर योर नेम इज, जिसका जो भी नाम है वो अपना नाम यहाँ पे लिखेगा बेटा. विष्णु सिंह, श्रेया सिंह, आपका जो भी नाम है, श्रद्धा पटेल, आप अपना नाम यहाँ पे लिखोगे. फाइन. देन कॉमा आफ्टर योर नेम प्लीज पुट अ कॉमा. देन अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास एंड सेक्शन 5. मैंने सेक्शन लिखा है, सेक्शन आप नहीं लिखोगे, आप उसकी जगह A, B, C, D, वट एवर योर सेक्शन इज, विल बी अनेबल टू अटेंड द स्कूल फ्रॉम. आप जो भी डेट को एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हो, जितने भी क्वेश्चन में 3 days लिखा है तो आप 18, 19, 20 लिखोगे. 2 days है तो 18, 19 लिखोगे. आगे की आप काउंट करके डेट ले लोगे. So from 18 September 2020 to 21 September 2020, because in the question it is written 4 days leave. As I will be going to Kanpur, any place you can write, not necessary you write Kanpur only. Instead of Kanpur, you can mention your village name as well. Fine. So as I'll be going to Kanpur to attend my cousin's wedding. Beta cousin में apostrophe s आएगा. Cousin's wedding, full stop. Then if you want, you can continue or you can start this from a new line. It is upon you. So kindly grant me 4 days. I have missed out S. 4 days. है ना? 1 day होता है, पर day में तो I have missed out S. So I have written 4 days outstation leave and oblige. बेटा जहां oblige खत्म होगा वहां आप छोड़ दोगे space आगे. Then from a new line you will start thanking you. Then subscription. Yours obediently. ये आपका subscription है. As student हम हमेशा obediently लिखते हैं. Yours obediently. Then the signature. Signature is your full name. That is your name and surname. And then your class and section. So I hope children, all of you now have learned the format of formal letter, and whenever you want an outstation leave, you can always write an application to the principal requesting her to grant you outstation leave. Children, we have done the application writing. We have written an application to the principal requesting her to grant us outstation leave, 4 days outstation leave. Students, please learn the format for writing the letter. अगर आपको फॉर्मेट लर्न हो गया तो आपको एप्लीकेशन लिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. एंड रिमेंबर, जब भी आपका एग्जाम हो, टेस्ट हो, जब भी आप एप्लीकेशन लिखोगे, यू मस्ट चेंज द डेट. जो भी डेट है उस दिन की आप डेट डालोगे. So that's all for today, students. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.